Hi everyone, it's Debbie Jade here for the last of our little series on this particular Mercury retrograde that started in February and it ends tomorrow. So I bet so many of you are singing hallelujah, but I'm going to give you a small teaching that forever after you will remember. The Mercury retrograde has a pre-period and a post-period. Each of them are about a week long. So are you going to get out of everything that Mercury retrograde presented to you? Nope. We're going to go through a little bit more to see if we really are sticking to our guns of things that we decided that we would push through, let go, or move through in this last retrograde. Okay? So what do? First and foremost, make sure that you ask Michael Archangel to be with you during this week to help you to know the truth. Michael Archangel is a truth angel. He's a protector. He works with us in so many ways, and he will absolutely assist you in knowing what the truth of your words are, the truth of other people's words are, and how that will work for you in your life. During this last week, we're really going to look at what is our truth. How are we doing it? Are we living it? Some of the tests might be a little bit hard, especially if you were a person that was really having a difficult time during the retrograde. Not to worry. That's one of the things. Worry is really not a part of us. The truth is, if you feel like you need to say something for yourself, stand up for yourself, and make it known, you can do it in the kindest of ways. First of all, by asking Michael Archangel, help me when I go out today, protect me to the front of me, to the back of me, to the left of me, to the right of me, above me, below me, and go before me. Walk with me, be with me. And then, Michael, help me to see the truth and to know the truth, and that others will reveal their truth. That way, if there's some little lie in there somewhere, that will come out. We feel that we are honest people for the most part and telling the truth. The thing is, we don't always tell the truth to ourselves. We make up little excuses, we walk away, we change the story, meaning that we are on the story and then we go left for a minute and make the story real long so that we can get out of what we know. If you want to remain in your pain and in your patterns, then that's okay. However, if you really want to get out of your pattern, be bold enough to face your truth. When I work along timelines with people, because I do a lot of deep shamanic transformational things with them, I can walk back with them in their timelines and where they got stuck. We will do what's called re-imprinting. There is re-imprinting with different kinds of neurolinguistics programming or, deep meditative type work. This is be above and beyond that though. This is where I know that when I go back with them in time, we can change it. People will say you can't go back in time. The fact of the matter is, the brain, remember, is only a bunch of tapes, a bunch of all these things in your mind that sincerely just go, and then everything else glues to it and then makes up this big story so many years down the later, and you're still doing that same pattern. Please don't attempt to re-imprint yourself. You have to have someone that's extremely skilled and has been doing it a very, very long time. Having said that, let's go back to the truth. So let's say that for whatever reason, you're still not, this is an example only, maybe you're still having an issue with a particular friend and you don't want to hurt their feelings, and so that you really don't say the truth. But then what is your truth to yourself? Your truth to yourself is, I don't really want to involve myself too much with them. So what do? The best thing and the most compassionate thing is simply back it up. Do you make excuses not to see the person? You put intentions out that you'll be busy so that the space will get larger and larger. Sometimes we get so enmeshed with our friends that we both are in that same pattern. So by loosening that up, you become your individual selves. You get to be who you know you are, they get to be who they know they are, and they get to do their healing, and we get to do ours as well. So that's just a little example, and that's what you're going to be going through this week. when things come to your face, up into your face, or to the side of you, remember, Michael's going to be with you and assist you in this. What if you're looking for a job and that job that you've been waiting for comes? Make sure that it's something you really want. Never settle. Never, never settle, you guys. Because what you're telling the universe, you're telling yourself inside, is that you're not quite there. So, I do this too. Believe me, I will say this every time just about, is when we follow our truth, we live our truth, we will really create freedom for ourselves. Now, this is my gift to you today. Know that beautiful swans do fly free, because they do. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so that you can get all of my series that come along, because they're all very channeled and channeled is more than intuitive, actually. And I really am so thankful that you're coming to my channel. See you soon, and have a good evening.